Hello everyone, this is Bilal and here I made this end-to-end real estate scraper using n8n. So what this will do is this will use this Jina AI and it will scrape all the listings from real estate listings in a Google Sheet environment, in a Google Sheet. So you will see how this all works end to end. I will just quickly show you how this all works. So in this Jina AI, if I double click on that node, you will see that it will getting this Jina AI. By the way, what is Jina AI? I'll just show you. This is a very powerful LLM scrapping tool that we can leverage to scrap multiple websites or any website you really want. From there, after that, we will use the information extractor. In that, I'm using this Google Gemini 2.0 model that will actually process the data for us. After that, it will split out the data for us because the real data will be in this JSON format. Okay, so you can see in this JSON format what it will do. It will then pull the data in JSON format and then it will spill out the JSON format into the table content and then save it into our Google Sheets. Now I will just show you how this all works in action. So if you click on this test workflow, you can see it's fetching all the data content for us using Jina AI. After that, you can see it's going to this information extractor. Now this is doing the real brain work and it's like extract sheets. So we'll wait a little bit here, and once it is done, you can see workflow executed successfully. Now if I open up this my Google Sheets link, you can see and it is all available here. So you can see now we are getting all the data and it's the price, address, beds, baths and extra columns, all the useful columns from here. So this is very useful workflow that you guys can leverage to scrap any websites. So if you like this, please do connect with me here on LinkedIn and we'll be making these kind of awesome workflows together. Thank you for